Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare 2 cappuccino in one go on our KitchenAid KF8, KF7, KF6 and so on. And a coffee machine of KitchenAid here in this case. A cappuccino is an Italian flavored drink. It comes from the German word cappuccino. It is an espresso-based coffee drink that is traditionally prepared with steamed milk, including a layer of milk foam. Variations of the drink involve the use of cream instead of milk, using non-dairy milk substances and flavoring with cacao powder in Europe and Australia. Or cinnamon. This is United States and South Korea. This they like really much. And it is a typically smaller in volume than that of a latte, and topped with a thick layer of foam rather than being made with microfoam. And of course, in this case here, we can make 2 in one go. That means the machine can serve. If you have a visitor at home, no problem. And you will get the same time, the same cappuccino. That's a good thing, huh? Okay, the classic style of cappuccino recipe. That is the Italian recipe. Yes, this is the traditional way. Is of course we're using stone ceramic cups. I will use here such a cup out of glass that you can see more. And of course, in the modern way, the cappuccino is often gets to you in a glass cup, of course. That's possible. But the classic Italian way to make a cappuccino is to go to cappuccino. Then the temperature we should rise up to high level. Then the body of the coffee should be strong because you like a lot of flavor in it. The strong is so a bouquet that it is a heavy used cappuccino. And coffee, the order of coffee should be second, because in a coffee making machine it is easier to serve this like that, because the classic way is, of course, to serve first the milk with the topping of the foam, and then you add the cappuccino, the shot into it. Okay, so coffee second. Then, of course, we should choose here the dairy, because on the KitchenAid machine we can switch to a plant-based if you use plant-based milk and so on. And the classic cappuccino from the Italy style is a shot is round about 30 milliliter. Okay, so choose 30 milliliter here for the classic style. And here the foam, the frothing should be up to 150 milliliter. Of course, this is a coffee making machine. In this case of the 150 milliliter, it is so that you use round about 120 milliliter of milk, which will goes a little bit up with more. Okay, so 120 up to 150 milliliter is the capacity of the cup. That means we are with the milk at 120 milliliter. And that means the milk which you add will be 60 milliliter, because of the foam you will double it. This is the Italian standard. But this here, of course, this is a machine that makes not a double of the foam. So we are choosing here in this case 80 milliliters. Okay, this is the classic way. So, and then you get 2 cups underneath, okay? One on the left, one on the right side. Then you choose that, everything is done. And after this, you can choose the strength level of your cappuccino. 1 bean makes this low strength, and not so much caffeine. But if you go up to 5 beans, this is a really hard caffeine beverage, of course. And then you're ready, nearly, because now the cappuccino will only come once, but you can double it over that button there. So now we double this and we can serve 2 cappuccino in one go. So let's perform this. And you can see now it's grinding. Now the beans will be grinded to a nice coffee shot. Then heating. The water, which is in the water tank of our cappuccino making machine, will be heated up. And then it will be tempered. The before grinded beans will be tempered, and then it can the hot water is thrown through the beans and will comes out to a delicious and nice shot to your beverage. In the milk section, like now, and the milk it is in the container over there. This is the container with the milk, and the milk should be cold. It is fresh out of a cold area, and it has to be connected to the machine via this pipe channel here. And of course, then it will makes this all automatically because it's a KitchenAid automatic coffee making machine, as you can see. Of course, this here is now the original recipe for an Italian cappuccino size. If you use modern cups like me here, of course, with a volume of 0.3 milliliters, 0.3 liters, that are 300 or 400 milliliters, of course you can adjust the volume, rise up. That means it is possible to get a full cappuccino in such a bigger size of cups too. Okay, so this is up to you, how you like to perform. This is the classic recipe here, and for this you will need stone-based or ceramic-based cups, smaller cups like in the Italian coffee, or you go and write up here the volume of the shot to 60 milliliter, the volume 140, 160 milliliter, and then you can bring these cups more to a bigger fill line. And then you can enjoy 2 delicious cappuccinos, which you can see here. There's a mixture of milk and a shot. Then there is a foam area, and on top you have the crema, and if you like, you can add there a little bit of sugar, because this is a standard with use this cappuccino in Italian. We use it with a little bit of sugar, and if you like, you can make art on top of it by using toppings with cacao or something else. So that's the perform easy peasy on this KitchenAid KF8 cappuccino making machine. 2 cappuccino, 1 go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.